Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2017 strategy. This new strategy for round 2 will help the company win the game in all 8 rounds. The new strategy is for the new strategy, we can win the game from round 1 to round 8. We don't have to sacrifice from round 1 to round 4 to develop the new product. So we still develop the new product and still win the game in all the rounds. So this is round 2. For round 2, we add one more product in traditional, so we call that a tier 2 or a traditional number 2 with the performance inside in round 7, in round 4, so 7.8 and 12.2. That will be ready in next year February. That's very good. So we update the high-end product, and we also update the performance and size so that the new product will be launched in about June the same year, 2019. Please pay attention that sometimes the traditional cannot update to the optimal or ideal spot, so we reduce a little bit, a few points to see 6.4 and 13.6 for traditional. That's 6.2 and 13.8, and for the size, for example, we can not update to 4.9 and we update to 4.8. So that is optimal. We call that optimal, close to the best spot we can do, so that our product will be launched in June. So we have half year to sell our product. That's another tip of the game. And for performance, we keep that 27 mTBF for all the rounds, and 10.9 is 10.9 for performance, not 11.4 and 14.6, but that's close to 14.6. We add such adjust performance and size 0.1 and 0.1 to find the optimal specification that can best sell the product and meet the closest to customer expectation. Sometimes it's not cannot be to the ideal spot. We bring that to optimal spot, and sometimes we cannot use ideal spot. We can use 50% adjustment, or we call that sweet spot. So we add to another product, new traditional, and we adjust a gap to science, the performance, and traditional, and even the high end. We do not adjust, do not upgrade the old low end. We keep that 3.0 and 17 in round 2. So that's for R&D, and now we move to marketing. Marketing, we need to set the price again. So we check the price from the previous round to make sure our price is the most competitive compared with our competitors. The price for traditional, we check the price for traditional 29.5 and low end 21 from top selling product. We always check this for all the 8 rounds. And for high-end product, we have that 29.5, and for the performance size, we have that 34.5 from previous round for the top selling product. So we reduce only 50 cent, 0.5. So we have the price for this one. We also can keep track by looking in the Excel file. We have the price for all the rounds, so we cannot let loose. Sometimes we reduce more than 50 cents to get our products more competitive. Another thing in marketing is we need to calculate the production demands, inventory, and the production, and also the inventory and potential market demand for the product from the report. We also need to check the market growth rate every year. They can be changed from round to round, so we check that for all the 5 segments. We get the growth rate for each market share. Also, we calculate the total demand for each product. For the first few rounds, so one product can be sold in a few segments because some overlapped. But in later rounds, so we will see that one product often focus in selling in one segment only. So we calculate on the highest possibility of selling the product for all the segments. So we have the focus. We also calculate the production. the focus, so we put that in the marketing decision. We keep the advertising to 1,000 for able and agree to top product, and the other product we keep that 1,500. And also we calculate the production. We add 12% in case our product sell well, to avoid the stock out, but not more than 15%, because in that case we will have much inventory. And also we increase automation from 5 to 6 for traditional, and from 6.7 to 8.4 for low-end product. And also we add more capacities to use all the investment. We have about 44 million, our 45 million. And now we have decision for human resource. We invest 5,000 for recruiting and 80 hours max for training, because that's long-term investment. And also we get max cash from this round by issuing stock and buying long-term debt, getting issue long-term debt. We get 23 million cash in hand as our plan. And we compare with the result from previous year. We sell 152 million, and this year we can sell 195. And we also get about 4 million as our plan. 4 million as our plan. As I said before, this new strategy, we will try to get good net profit in all the first four round, not sacrifice net profit for new product development. And our balance scorecard estimation about 74 hours per 89 is good. And this is the result for round 2. We sell 198, close to our plan, higher than all other competitors. So we get max market share. And net profit is 6.7, not 3, not 4. 6.7 is not the much highest, but is the top net profit. And also our cumulative net profit 16 million in the top of the game. Maybe the highest is the top. And you say that this new strategies will bring the company to the leading position in all the 8 rounds, not like the previous strategies, right? We also check the debrief report. We see our profit is max from round 2. Market capitalization is the top, okay, and also the market share 23% is the highest market share, and stock price also the highest one, 43 compared with the others. And ROS not max, but it's okay. Asset turnover is also the top, and return on asset is also good, and return on equity is also good. We cannot max right in all the things, but we will be top in all the things from round 4. But the most important thing that we have highest sales, profit, market capitalization, and market share. And for round analysis, we get 10 star, 5 star for each one, right? So as I say, this strategy is better than previous one, and we increase from 63 to 78 out of 89 for balance scorecard. We see that we get 97% for round 2, and also around 99% out of 100. So that is very good result. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success with the game.